Hello writers, in this video I will be going over how to submit an assignment on Blackboard. You want to click on the title of the assignment. Your professor will have the titles for the assignments usually in the font color black or orange. Once you open the assignment portal, you will see a reminder of the due date, points the assignment is worth, and the instructions. After the instructions, you might find some information indicating that your work will be submitted to a platform called Safe Assign to check for plagiarism. After the instructions, you will find the assignment submission section. If you need to type out or copy and paste any of your work, you can submit your work in the right submission area. If you want to attach documents, you can click on the Browse Local Files area. Blackboard and Safe Assign only accept certain document formats. Among the accepted are Microsoft Word and PDFs. Among the not accepted formats are Google Docs and Pages. When submitting to Safe Assign, don't forget to agree. On the instructor end of Blackboard, whatever you submit on the right submission will appear in large font for us to read and grade. Whatever you submit on the comment area will appear in small font that makes reading large amount of text really difficult. The purpose of the comment area is simply to add brief thoughts about your work that you feel your instructor should be aware of as they read through your work. Please submit your work on the right submission area if you need to type out your work. When you are ready, click on Submit. Oh no, did you accidentally submit the wrong assignment? Or you just want to resubmit something else? Well, I'm about to show you exactly how to resubmit. And once you click on it, this is gonna come out and it's gonna show you your grade. It's gonna show you what you submitted, and on the right hand side you're gonna see two little buttons that say OK or Start New. You want to click on Start New. Once you have clicked on your submission, the screen is going to come out to assignment information. Under that, assignment submission, where you could either write your submission or browse local files where you could locate the correct assignment or the new assignment that you want to upload. Once you have found it, click submit. You have successfully submitted an assignment to Blackboard. Awesome, congratulations. Until next time, bye.